Hello, my name's Andrew Dick and I have the privilege of being the director of the Institute of Ophthalmology here at UCL. All my life I've been curious. I've had people asking questions, I've had educators pushing me to always be curious. And coming to the Institute has been an eye-opener for me. It's been an example of how it's full of innovators, discoverers, scientists, clinicians, patients, all enabling us to understand more about our conditions, driving through new therapies, gene therapy, first through cell-based therapy, we invent drugs, and we make real differences to patients. So being a student here is just exciting. You're within all those innovators, those discoverers, those clinicians, and you can see how we can make real differences to people. I've always been pleased to be educated and driven, and I hope we can do the same for you.